But let's focus on a couple of stocks within the IT space. Rajesh Subramaniam, the MD and CEO of First Source Solutions, joins in to talk to us today. Mr. Subramaniam, thanks very much for joining in. First, wanted to just understand how markets such as the US and Europe are doing, considering that we have seen a lot of good macro data coming out from there. Has there been a formidable recovery, maybe on a sequential basis for you?
Yes, good morning and good to be on your show. The markets in the US and UK are showing recovery in the verticals that we play in. We are very bullish on the healthcare segment, which is predicated on the US markets, and we're seeing an excellent recovery in growth in the market segments in financial services in the UK and in telecoms and media in Europe as a whole. So in the vertical segments we play in and in the markets where our customers are, we're very optimistic of our future prospects.
Rajesh, hi, morning. This quarter was very volatile in terms of the rupee moves. We had that big move towards 68. Now we've seen a retreat back to 62. How do you think that will play out in terms of numbers? In this kind of volatility, what would companies like you do?
Yeah, I think there are two elements to it. One is on our receivables book, our policy of hedging is on a rolling 12 to 18-month basis. So the benefits of the rupee depreciation that we have seen will start accruing to us from Q3 onwards, extending into a good part of next year. Now, the other element is, the depreciating rupee helps us, much better leverage in pricing of deals and gives us much more degrees of freedom in terms of how we drive operating leverages in the current environment and lock in those rates with new deals that we pursue in the markets. The third element to it is on my loan book, which is we have a foreign currency loan in our US books, but given that in more than 68% of our business and free cash flows are derived abroad, there is no impact for us because I have cash flows generated abroad to serve as the interest and loan repayments, and the open position in our covers in India ensures that the money which India needs to send to service some of these repayments is hedged naturally. So we are in a good space as far as the loan repayments are concerned, and we are the benefits of the rupee depreciation will start playing out from Q3 this year onwards, extending well into next year.
Okay. What will your balance sheet look like by the end of the year?
I think the key element of our balance sheet is our loan book. So our net debt was about $166 million end of Q1. We have 11.25 million repayment coming up end of this month, which we will repay. Our cash balance was about 150 crores end of Q1. We will aim to maintain it at the same level end of Q2, which basically signifies that free cash flow generation is in excess of $10 to $11 million per quarter.
In terms of project pipeline, how's that shaping up?
As I said, which is predicated on the recovery we are seeing in the healthcare segment, the financial services segment in the UK. Our pipeline is robust. The core offshoring engine is coming back very strongly. Some of the deals that we are in pursuit of, and some of the deals that we have signed, we'll start seeing the benefits of growth coming in from Q4, extending into full part of next year. So the pipeline is strong. The healthcare vertical is doing extremely well. And we are very bullish about the financial services segment, especially in the UK, where we're seeing significant traction at this point.
Okay. Is there any sort of rejig within your client portfolio? For example, are you exiting clients that are not profitable, something which you had guided for earlier?
Absolutely, yes. Excellent question, and we are well underway. So the Q4 we will see the impact of shrinkage in volume from some of the customers that we have let go or we have agreed to separate, and the full year benefits we will see next year in our margins, but we will see a decline in revenues which we'll see in Q4, which largely will be offset by the growth we expect based on the new clients and the new business from existing clients that we have signed up.
All right, Rajesh, thanks a lot for your time. That's First Source. Still quite confident about rest of the year. Well, one stock which has been buzzing since morning is of course Gillette, and